What's up you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video it's going to be a really quick video. All I'm going to be doing is really just announcing the winners that did enter for the Auxbeam products. So of course there is going to be 3 winners. The first prize is of course going to be the 32-inch light bar, which is like the one similar to that I have in my truck right there on the bumper. It's going to be something like that. The second prize of course is going to be the ditch lights. They are 4-inch Auxbeam side shooter ditch lights, or I think you can probably put them anywhere else or in another vehicle. Doesn't have to be just a Tacoma. That's the cool thing. And then the next one would be the rock lights. It's with 4 pods. That's going to be prizes, 3 winners. So the way I'm going to do it is, in that video where I had you guys enter, I did tell you guys to make sure to let me know which prize you guys are going to want. So right now we're going to go ahead and use a comment generator from that YouTube video to see who wins. So enough talking, let's go ahead and find out who won. But at the end of it, please go ahead and send me one more email just letting me know, hey, I'm the winner, and that's it. And then I'll go ahead and confirm all the details from there, and then I'll ship it out to you as soon as I can. So I've used this site many times. I just have to go ahead and copy the video URL. Once that's done, it's going to be over here. It's going to be commentpicker.com. I'm going to go ahead and paste the URL of that video. Let's go ahead and get the YouTube comments. Alright. So there's 201 eligible comments that did enter, I guess, correctly. So let's go ahead and find out and see who the first winner is. Remember, you guys, cross your fingers and good luck. Alright, so there you go. Ro Buttman. Go ahead and send me one more email. Sorry about that, but go ahead and send me one more email, and then I'm going to go ahead and verify if you did enter it correctly or not with the previous email that you had sent me. So of course you wanted the Auxbeam 32-inch light bar, so it's yours, man. Congrats on the win. You're the first winner, and that's what you wanted. It's all yours. Just remember, there's going to be more giveaways coming soon. So let's go ahead and do this one more time. Alright. So second winner, go ahead and cross your fingers. Nice, okay. Moises Vasquez, congrats on the win, man. You wanted the side shooters, they are yours. So that's going to be right here. So go ahead and send me an email as well, and then like I said, I'll go ahead and verify that you did everything correctly. But go ahead and send me an email, and I'll go ahead and send them as quick as I can. Alright, so third prize winner, of course, I'm sorry whatever you chose, but you're going to get the rock lights regardless, unless if that's what you wanted. So let's go ahead and find out. Damn, right when the computer's going to die. Let's go ahead and hit start, cross your fingers, and good luck. Nice, okay, so that actually all worked out. Alright, oh, you know, go ahead and send me an email and the rock lights are yours. That is honestly pretty cool. Alright, so congratulations to the winners. Of course there was 3, and it actually worked out great because each of you that wanted to win that specific part, you guys won it. So that was actually pretty cool. There wasn't have to be like no fighting or anything like that. So just remember, there is going to be a lot more giveaways coming. I can promise you that. They're hanging out in the office right now. So there is more stuff coming. I do have to post some other videos, some installs, and some other random stuff that I have lined up. But it's coming soon, so stay tuned for it if you guys do want to enter. They're good prizes, at least in my opinion. I mean, who doesn't like free stuff, right? Just kidding, but for real. So yeah, so congrats to the winners. Once again, please make sure to email me right away, and I'll try to send it as soon as I can. Once you guys do email me, I'm going to go ahead and verify that you guys did do all those things that I asked for. So make sure you did them, because I'm going to check. Don't forget to use all the coupon codes that I do have for you guys, because they're about to expire, I believe, at the end of the year. So if you guys do plan on getting a BESTOP, go ahead and go purchase yours right now. I do have an upcoming video on that. Stay tuned. But go ahead and purchase yours before the end of the year if you are planning on getting one. Tacoma Beast headlights, there's a code called exclusive. You can use that at TACOMABeast.com to go ahead and get your Tacoma Beast headlights. That ends at the end of the year as well. Another thing, if you guys do remember, I do have a black view dash cam. I do have a code for that. Go ahead and use it because it's going to also expire at the end of the year. Another code that doesn't expire, and it does help me out if you guys do purchase it, if you guys do remember, I have a remote start and I do have videos on it, on the installation and all that. It's actually pretty cool for the Tacomas, and they make it for many other vehicles. I have discount codes for that as well, so if you want a remote start for your vehicle, go ahead and get it, and the code's right here. Pretty awesome products. There's a bunch more I just can't think at the top of my head right now. But yeah, go check out my previous videos if you haven't. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. And hopefully there's an event coming soon that I hope to see all of you guys out there. And we're going to try to do some giveaways as well that day. So if it does happen, that's going to be awesome. Alright, you guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.